With the passing of the Samsung chair, focus now shifts to considerable assets he leaves behind and the record amount of inheritance tax, not to mention how Lee Kun-hee's death would change the governance structure of the group. Kim Jae-hee has the full story.
Following the death of Samsung Chairman Lee Kun-hee, the assets he left behind are catching the interest of many. Lee was the wealthiest stock owner in the country of around $16 billion. He held around 4% of common stocks in Samsung Electronics, less than 3% of Samsung C&T, and was the largest shareholder of Samsung Life Insurance at more than 20%, among others. For Vice Chairman Lee Jae-yong to inherit all of his father's assets, he would have to pay around $9 billion in inheritance tax, something which could be addressed by an increase to shareholders' dividend payouts.
Samsung Electronics announced its shareholder return policy for the next 3 years on October 31, 2017. 3 years have passed, so it's highly likely the company will unveil a new policy. We expect Samsung to come up with measures to increase dividend payouts in the mid to long term to secure funds to pay for inheritance tax.
Samsung shares closed higher Monday under such expectations, along with hopes that the company's leadership transition will accelerate following Lee's death. Samsung C&T rose more than 13%, and Samsung Electronics and Samsung Life Insurance also gained slightly. Meanwhile, the succession process for the nation's top conglomerate also becomes the new center of attention. Lee Jae-yong has been heading the company's management since 2014, when his father collapsed from a heart attack. While questions were immediately raised as to whether the group will undergo massive governance restructuring, the fact Lee already has a strong grip on the group makes that unlikely, and many say he may only cement his grip. But some analysts say, unlike investors' anticipation, the possibility of an imminent overhaul of the group's governance structure may be slim, as controversy surrounding Lee's legal issues should first be resolved. Kim Jae-hee, Arirang News.